Germany, landing, the butter got soft, and then just carrying it on itself. You know, we had to limit the case size. We only had like 9 inches to work with, so I had to actually make the tree and the scenery there, and ship my base, and it was extremely intimidating to know I only had 72 hours to assemble this, but getting to the competition itself was incredible. You had all these different nations coming together, and like food is a language, and you could definitely tell, you know, where the piece came from just by the culture that was shown through it. It was an art, and it was beautiful. But besides that, like going outside the building itself, cobblestone roads, it was gorgeous. At the competition, we were competing along 1,600 chefs. There was, you know, and a quarter of those were in the sculpting category, so it was extremely intimidating. Okay, so we had 2 hours to get our pieces from the cars onto the table. The judges actually judged at 8 a.m. and so now we have to go sit and wait. We had to wait 7 hours for the results. And so they call my fellow lard minion, Jordan. She won a bronze medal, and they call her first, and we didn't know our category was up. And we're sitting there like, oh my gosh, Jordan just got a bronze. And I felt fairly confident in going in, which is rare for me, you know. I finally felt good, and they call my name, Haley Raymer, a silver medal, and says, oh my gosh, is this real life? And the whole American crowd roared. It was just because we just were representing, especially representing Louisville, and we were so excited. And sure enough, a silver medal. And when we got back, we got off the plane, and it felt like the entire city was out there just to cheer us on. And they were hooting and hollering, and people getting on the plane, like going through security, looking at us like, what's going on? But it was fantastic. And the dean was there, the chancellor. It was just, we had so much support.
It was unbelievable. The culture, everything about it. It was just a beautiful country, and I couldn't have asked for a better group to go with. It still hasn't even set in. It's just amazing. I am so glad I got this opportunity. It's great.
If you're interested in the baking pastry arts program, culinary arts, or even hospitality management, I highly recommend Sullivan University from personal experience. Hopefully I'll see you soon.